Do you feel the vibe?
Hi, welcome to Viewz. This video is about switching text on a button click using Text Switcher. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, do like, share and subscribe to Viewz. Let's get into the video. First, we need to create an Android Studio project I have created and given the title as Text Switcher. Now change the constraint layout to a relative or linear layout as per your choice. I have used a relative layout. Then change the text view as the heading for this. I have named it Viewz. You can give your own or remove it. The main part of this activity is having a text switcher widget by adding it. Make sure you gave an ID to the widget. Then add a linear layout below the text switcher. Inside this linear layout, we will be having two buttons for the text switching actions to be performed. I have given text as previous and next to buttons respectively and ID as previous and next as well. Changing the orientation of the linear layout into horizontal and set the gravity as the center, which set the buttons in the center of the layout. Give margins to both the button, so it will have a space between them and the UI will be looking great. Align the linear layout to parent bottom. Now let's make a small change to the design by making the width of the text switcher as match parent. With this design part is completed. At mainActivity.java initialize and declare the text switcher and both the buttons. Add a string array list. I have named it as lists that will contain the text have to be displayed in the text field when the button is clicked. The text I have given is "Hi guys, welcome to Viewz." If you are new to this channel, do like, share and subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get notified. Declare an int variable position equals -1. We will initialize the values declared above by using find view by ID, our .id. The IDs given in design. Now let's create a method TextSwitcher.setFactory. Inside the bracket new ViewSwitcher.viewFactory, it will auto-generate a makeView method within it. In this method, we are going to create an object for the text view. Set the size, color, gravity for the text which has to be displayed in the text switcher. Then we are making few more changes to our design page by adding on-click to the button, and by pressing Alt plus Enter at the warning, we will easily create a button click at our Java code. Inside the next button click, add an if condition to verify the position, if position less than length -1. Then, position equals position +1. TextSwitcher.setText inside bracket lists position, which we will add the text of index based on the position value. Inside the previous button click, add an if condition to verify the position, if position greater than 0. Then, position equals position -1. Text switcher.setText inside bracket lists position, which we will add the text of index, based on the position value. With this coding is completed and, now let's run this application. This is the output of the text switcher. At first, it asks permission to get installed, then on the button clicks, the text changes as per the code written for the button. That is previous and the next text will be displayed on respective button clicks.